You've got, on one hand, Democrats arguing that everybody should have health care, that it should be a right, that it should be cheap, you should be able to afford it, and that we should take this economic burden away from corporations. And here is the Republican response. This is Congressman Zach Wamp.
Care is a privilege. I do think that in some populations...
Well, it's a privilege, health care. I mean, if you have cancer right now, do you see it as a privilege to get some treatment?
I was just about to finish to say that for some people it's a right, but for everyone, frankly, it's not necessarily a right. Some people choose not to pay.
What people is it a right for? Let's break down the category. Who is it not a right for to get health care?
An employee that rejects the health care provided by their employer because they don't want any of the money deducted from...
And what number of people do that? What do you base that on?
Half the people that are uninsured today choose to remain uninsured. Half of them don't have any choice, but half of them choose to what's called go naked and just take a risk of getting sick. They end up in the emergency room costing you and me a whole lot more money. How many illegal immigrants are in this country today getting our health care? Gobs of them. The problem with the Obama approach is health care for everybody.
Were there only retards left on the Republicans?
It's astonishing. I mean, first of all, the guy obviously doesn't know what the word right means.
Or half.
I mean, if it's a right for some people, it's a right for everybody. The half, I mean...
Kept halving things. I think he got down to eighths there for a second.
Well, I mean, and just in general, it's moronic to go on television. Who is that going to appeal to? Who is that going to appeal to? It may get him on Rush Limbaugh's show.